I'm just getting started on building a bed, and there's a few of the first pieces that I have, and looking forward to giving you a little tutorial. This is the length and width of the mattress, 74.5 long by 38 wide. As I hold the boards tight together and hold the tape measure at 74.5 on the one side, I can get the overall length that I want to run my side pieces on the other side. So that looks like just under 77.5. Small. The blade is 1 inch and 5/16 from the outside edge of the base of the saw. So if I measure back 1 inch and 5/16 and hold my square here, and I'm going to cut both these pieces at the same time because they are the same length, holding them firm together. Okay, I've got the front and back pieces marked out, and I can't cut them both at the same time, but I can cut through them at the same time together this way because they are a little bit thicker. They're 1.5 inches thick, and here we go. I'm just getting ready to drill out the pre-drill holes for the screws into the side pieces, and I'm going to one-hand it so that I can show you what I'm doing here. And we are ready to assemble. I'm at my last piece, and I've got a typical situation where I have some massive twist in one of these pieces, and to eliminate that and straighten out this joint when I put the screws in, I'm going to start with my screw on this first hole here, and I'm going to press it flush right in line with that screw right there. Now that I have this one side screwed in, and that's sitting flush there, what I'm going to do is when I screw the other side in here, I'm going to push this in flush. I can't really do it well with one hand, but I'm going to push that in flush and then pre-drill it and then hold it in flush when I final screw it.